When your sales meeting starts, do not go straight into selling mode. People buy from people, so your first immediate priority is to build or extend your relationship with the people you're meeting with. And to do this, you need some basic rapport building. We already have a couple of videos on rapport building in other contexts, so please do take a look at them. I'll put links in the description. In this video, I want to concentrate on the style of rapport building which is appropriate at the start of a face-to-face sales process. In this context, rapport building means starting to form a working relationship with the other person, the basis for a good future client-supplier relationship. What you need to do is to make a good first impression. Congenial, yet professional. Self-confident, yet reliable. It's all about building a sense of trust. This all starts with your appearance, so make deliberate choices about your appearance for the sales meeting. Think about the impression you will make and how you will fit in with their cultural expectations. It's not about giving up your personal sense of individuality. It's about avoiding a gross clash of expectations, which will make a poor first impression. You also need to pay attention to the simple rules of courtesy and good manners, and this is never more so when the person you're meeting has different cultural expectations to your own. In this case, research what is appropriate in their culture and make sure you match their expectations. If you are not prepared to respect their cultural norms, then you have to ask the question whether this is an appropriate person or organisation for you to do business with. Next, you need to be sure to be punctual and well organised. Be businesslike, but not in a hurry. Take your cues over timing from them. On meeting, shake hands and ask after their well-being. Listen attentively to what they say and nod appropriately. The important thing here is that you take an interest in them. You ask appropriate questions and you listen. This is far more important than offering your opinions and talking about yourself. Of course, if they ask about you, then answer them briefly and succinctly. But if they don't, as you move into the more formal part of the sales call, you may want to offer to introduce yourself. The purpose of this is to establish your credibility with them. So make sure you have prepared your introduction during the pre-sales process. Make your personal introduction short, succinct, to the point, addressing what is likely to be most important for them to know about you. There are two basic levels of introduction, the lightweight and the more detailed. The lightweight version simply sets up rapport building. Hello, I'm Mike from Management Courses. The more detailed introduction will give them some important information about you, which you may need to save for the opening stage. Here's an important tip. There may be other people at the meeting, and if they don't introduce themselves, or if the person you're meeting doesn't introduce them, ask about them. Take an interest in everyone at the meeting, because you simply do not know about the relative importance of each of those people to the final decision-making process. So, treat each one as being as important as the other. Ignore things like titles. Someone with a junior job role may still be very important to the decision-making process. Someone who says very little may be the decision maker, who sees their role in the meeting as to do nothing but listen. And of course, there is one overriding reason why you should treat everyone in the meeting as being equally important. It's just plain respectful. So remember, your aim in this short but important part of the sales process is to establish enough of a personal connection with the people you're meeting with to make the next stages in the sales process easier and more effective. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great management courses content for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep learning.